This is question of inequality. Here we have to prove a plus 1 by a greater than 2. We know that for any real values of a, square of any numbers always positive. So we know that root a minus 1 by root a whole square is greater than 0, because square of any number greater than 0. So minus 1 by root a whole square, we will get 1 by a. This is also greater than 0. So that is why square of any number is always positive. So this is correct. Here this is of the form a minus b whole square, and we know what is a minus b whole square? It is a square plus b square minus 2ab. So this can be written as root a square plus here a square plus b square minus twice ab greater than 0. So a plus 1 by a minus 2 is greater than 0. So a plus 1 by a is greater than 2. So hence proved. So this way we have proved a plus 1 by a is greater than 2. Solution. Here a is greater than 0, b is greater than 0. Therefore, ab is greater than 0, because a is positive and b is positive, and product of two positive number is also positive. Also it is given that a is greater than b. So we have one property: if we divide by positive numbers, if we divide the inequalities by positive numbers, the sign of inequalities does not change. So here this a and a cancel, and this b and b is cancelled. So 1 by b is greater than 1 by a. This can be written as 1 by a is less than 1 by b. Hence proved. So here we have to prove a plus b into 1 by a plus 1 by b is greater than 4. This is question of inequality. We know that root a minus root b whole square is always greater than 0, because square of any number is always positive. This is of the form a minus b whole square, and if it is a minus b whole square, we get a square plus b square minus 2ab. So here it is of the form a minus b whole square, so a square plus b square minus twice ab is written. And we know root a square is a. Root a square is always a, and root b square is b. And this minus, when moves to the right hand side, it becomes plus, and root a into root b is root over ab. Let it be equation 1. Again, we know that 1 by root a minus 1 by root b also greater than 0, because square of any number is always non-negative, that is positive. So this is also of the form a minus b whole square. So here also we will use a minus b whole square relation, that is a square plus b square minus 2ab. This equal to 1 by a plus 1 by b, because 1 square is 1, root a square is a. 1 square is 1 and root b square is b. Root a into root b is root ab. Shifting these to right hand side, we will get this minus will become plus. Let it be equation 2. On multiplying 1 and 2, you can see here the equation 1 is a plus b to root ab and equation 2 is 1 by a plus 1 by b. So we will, the equation 1 is a plus b, left hand side of equation 1 is a plus b and left hand side of equation 2 is 1 by a plus 1 by b. So you can see here the left hand side is a plus b of equation 1 and 1 by a plus 1 by b in equation 2. So we have multiplied left hand side of equation 1 and left hand side of equation 2. Then we will have to multiply left hand side of equation 1. This is 2 root ab and this one also. Now this root ab and this root ab we can cancel and this 2 will be 2 is 4. So hence proved. So this way we have proved these questions. So a plus b into 1 by a plus 1 by a plus 1 by b is greater than 4. A square plus b square is greater than 2ab. We know that sum of the squares of any numbers is always non-negative. So this one, we know that a minus b whole square is greater than 0 because sum of square of any number is always positive. This is a minus b whole square. So here I will use the relation identity of a minus b whole square, and this is a square plus b square minus 2ab. So shifting 2ab to that side, so we got the proof a square plus b square is greater than 2ab. In this question we have to prove if a greater than 0, that means a is positive, b greater than 0 means b is positive, x greater than 0 means x is positive. If a, b, c are positive and a less than b, then a plus x by b plus x is greater than ab, we have to prove. Since a is less than b, imply ax is less than bx, because when a positive number is multiplied to an inequality, the sign of inequality does not change. Here x is positive. So when we multiply by a positive number to the inequalities, the sign of inequalities does not change. This can be written as bx is greater than ax. We know since here a is positive, and B is positive. So AB is also positive. A is positive, B is positive. So product of two positive number is always positive. Here B is common. So B is taken common. Here A is common. So A is taken common. Now here I have to get B plus X. A plus X by B plus X. And here I have to get A by B. So this B I'll shift to the right hand side, and as it is positive number, so if it moves to the right hand side, the sign of inequality won't change. As well as this B plus X is positive. If it is brought to the left hand side, the sign of inequalities won't change. So hence, truth.